Hello everybody. Today we're finishing our project. Last class we left it in our first row of little circles. I already started a little bit with the second row and because it takes some time to finish it. And that's why I started working on it because I want to show you how I worked a little bit with it, okay? I started, if you can see, right in the middle of between both of the circles, that's where I'm putting my first circle. I glued it. Actually, I put some glue on this part over here and put the little circle, okay? Now, I had a little problem building my basket, is that there, as you can see over here, let me show you in the camera. These are 6 newspaper cones, right? But it turns out it's too small for me to connect the circles. You can see over here, there's too much space in between. Don't worry about that. If you have a problem with it, you can just grab another paper cone, put some glue on it, and keep on making the circle a little bit bigger. Okay? That's what I did with this one. I added up a little more of the paper cones, and now you can see it fits perfectly. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put some glue on it and on the sideways. Be really careful when you're putting this together because it moves a lot. So maybe it can open up a little bit, or it probably will give you some problems putting it together. Okay, so I'm going to just squish this a little bit so it will be the same height. There we go. And today's work is not going to be too much, but it takes time. So we're just going to do our second row for today. And actually, that's all there is to our basket, actually, right? I mean, there's not much to it. Let's see. Now, you can get some help. If it's moving a little bit, you can just put something there so it will hold up. There we go. And I'm just going to put this last piece. See, there's some of them that are bigger. I don't know, maybe it's the size of the newspaper that we used or how we spinned the cone. But it doesn't matter. You can just add up more cones to it and it'll just work perfectly. See over here, it's just moving a little bit because it's not quite dry, but there. So basically, that is how our work is supposed to look like. Let me just put that there. It's supposed to look like that. Now, this is our this is our top part, but you can see also here it's small. So what I'm going to do is get some more paper cones and add up a little bit more so it will get bigger. Just open up this a little bit like that. And we're going to put some glue into it. Okay, so we press hard on it to get sticky together. And we just continue as if we were doing a big circle. Just like that. Probably I'm just going to add like two or three so it'll get big enough for it to fit in the basket. Right there. I'm going to see how it looks with the third one and see if it needs to be bigger or not. Okay, let's see how that goes. So it's almost there. I think I'm gonna add 2 more. Just let this hold on a little bit. It's moving. So if it's moving, you can just only press on it and wait until the newspaper sticks together. Just like that. I don't know. All this time, I've been having so much fun working with newspaper. It's really amazing what you can do with it. It's just not wanting to stick though. Huh. Let's see. But also something that I learned is that you have to have patience with it. So anyway, I would really like to know how you guys are doing. I would really like to see what you guys have been up to. It's been such a long time I haven't seen you. And for a teacher, it's really, I don't know, you get to be like mom of so many kids. All school turns out being your kid, so I really do miss you. So if you can sometime text me and send me a message and telling me how you're doing, what you're up to, what is fun for you, I would really appreciate it. Over at home, I am with my kids. I've been working on your tutorials. I've been cooking. I've been cleaning up my house, helping my kids do homework. So, I mean, it's amazing how you have to start doing things you weren't doing before. So, but I do miss you guys. I do miss you guys a lot, a lot, a lot. So, write sometime, say hi, and be sure that when I can't wait to see you as soon as all of this is over. And what else can I tell you guys? Enjoy being with your parents. That's something that's really important, being with the people that you love. Now we have plenty of time to do that. And you just have to do the best you can to be with them and love them. Okay, so almost done. Hey, this one is kind of getting tricky here. There. Well, this is gonna dry in a little bit, but anyway. So you have the idea of how it has to work. Ta-da! Then it has to be like that. And now we have a spare little circle in which we're going to put some glue and glue it right over here. Okay, guys. So let me zoom this up a little bit. Okay. So there we go. That's our project. That's what we have to do for our class. As soon as you're done with your work, please take a picture of it. Try taking a picture from here, and let me see how your work came out, okay? And post it into my platform. As I said, guys, I'm really, really missing you. So I can't wait to see you. If you want to share something, you can just write me a message into the platform. I'll be more than glad to answer and share a little bit of how we are doing, okay? Until next time, hugs and kisses for everybody. Bye-bye for now.